Hi, what if I told you that living the van life just got a whole lot more exciting? Imagine pulling up to a scenic trailhead, unfolding a powerful e-bike, and instantly exploring terrain that would have taken hours on foot. Well, today's video is all about the best e-bikes for van life that can make that dream a reality. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Let's dive right into our top picks and see which one truly dominates for adventure, on the road, and off. On number 6, Jasion Thunder Electric Bike. Hold on to your seats because the Jasion Thunder is not your average e-bike. It's basically a high-performance electric motorcycle disguised as a bicycle. With a jaw-dropping 1,500-watt peak motor and top speeds over 30 miles per hour, coupled with an 864 watt-hour battery promising up to 80 miles of PS range, this beast is built for thrill seekers who want speed, stamina, and off-road capability all in one package. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure you can stop confidently, even when flying down trails, while 26 inches by 4 inches fat tires and front suspension tackle everything from sand to snow. The app-controlled system adds a tech-savvy touch for monitoring and adjusting performance. Compared to the Untitled folding e-bike, the Jasion sacrifices portability and UL safety certification, but it gains unmatched power, higher speed, and nearly double the battery capacity, making it ideal for long-distance adventures where performance rules over compactness. In real-world use, it's a stable, dominating ride, but keep in mind, its size and weight make it less suitable for multimodal travel. If you crave extreme performance and range above all else, this is the bike that makes every ride feel like a high-octane adventure. On number 5, Windone E2 Electric Bike. Now, if safety and comfort matter as much as thrill, the Windone E2 brings a balanced approach to van life exploration. Its full suspension system, combined with 4.0-inch fat tires, creates a smooth, stable ride across bumpy roads, gravel, and light trails. The 750-watt motor pushes a respectable 28 miles per hour, while the 48-volt, 13-ampere-hour removable battery offers up to 46.6 miles of PAS range. Crucially, it's UL certified, meaning its electrical system meets strict safety standards, a reassuring feature when compared to the raw power of the Jasion Thunder. While the Windone E2 doesn't match the Thunder's peak speed or range, it compensates with ergonomic features like cruise control and an overall more comfortable ride for longer journeys, particularly on rough surfaces. In practice, riders will notice how well the suspension absorbs shocks and makes off-road riding less jarring. For van lifers prioritizing reliability, safety, and comfort over raw horsepower, the E2 is the go-to, providing confidence and stability while still delivering satisfying performance. On number 4, E500 Electric Bike. Stepping into the compact, versatile category, the E500 electric bike is ideal for van adventurers who want power in a smaller, manageable package. Sporting a 1,000-watt peak motor and 20-inch fat tires, it delivers excellent torque and grip for climbing hills, beach riding, or snow-covered paths, while its 48-volt removable battery provides around 40 miles of PAS range. The 7-speed Shimano system allows precise control over gradients and speed, which is especially handy for multi-terrain exploration. Unlike the Windone E2, the E500 lacks full suspension and UL certification, so comfort and certified safety are traded for compact agility and budget friendliness. Compared to the Jasion Thunder, it's significantly lighter, easier to store in a van, and better suited for tight trails, though it doesn't reach the same top speeds or battery endurance. For van life riders looking for a powerful, all-terrain e-bike without the bulk of extreme performance machines, the E500 strikes a perfect balance between capability, maneuverability, and cost. On number 3, electric bike for adults, 750 watts/1000 watts. Peak. If versatility is key, This hybrid model is an excellent choice. Designed to handle commuting, mountain trails, and urban roads alike, it offers 750 watts continuous power with a 1,000 watt peak motor, ensuring strong assistance on hills and rough terrain. Its battery system provides an impressive 60-mile range, outshining the E500 for longer excursions. What sets this model apart is the option between 20-inch or 26-inch tires, letting riders prioritize agility or comfort depending on terrain. Compared to the E500, it offers longer endurance but slightly slower acceleration on extreme terrain, and its suspension details are vague, meaning rough trails may feel less cushioned than on the Windone E2. For van lifers who need a dependable, long-range commuter and occasional off-road fun, this bike provides a solid, versatile option that balances distance, efficiency, and terrain adaptability. On number 2, electric dirt bike for adults, 2,000 watts / 1,500 watts, peak. Hold on, because this one takes the van life e-biking to the extreme. With a 2,000 watt peak motor, 32 miles per hour top speed, and fat tires that grip sand, snow, and dirt like a tank, this bike is essentially a portable dirt bike. Its massive battery delivers 55 to 80 miles of range, so van adventurers can go farther and faster than almost any other e-bike on this list. Compared to the Jasion Thunder, it has slightly higher peak power and speed, plus incredible torque, making it ideal for extreme terrain challenges. Of course, this comes with weight, bulk, and potential regulatory restrictions in some areas. But for thrill seekers craving raw performance and all-terrain dominance, few e-bikes compete. This is the choice for riders who treat every trail as a high-adrenaline playground. On number 1, 2-seater electric bike. Finally, the ultimate van life companion, a 2-seater fat-tire e-bike that combines performance, range, and passenger capability. With a 1,300 watt peak motor, top speeds over 30 miles per hour, and a 48-volt 20 ampere hour, 960 watt-hours battery. Offering 80-plus miles, this bike is perfect for couples, parents, or anyone needing to carry a passenger safely. Its 20 inches by 4 inches fat tires and reinforced frame maintain stability, while the extended bench seat and rear foot pegs transform it from a solo commuter into a dual-rider powerhouse. Compared to high-power solo bikes like the Jasion Thunder, it sacrifices a bit of top-end speed, but adds practical versatility and dual-rider functionality, ideal for van lifers looking to explore with a companion or transport cargo. Though heavy and requiring experienced handling, its combination of performance, range, and passenger capacity makes it a unique, high-value choice. So there you have it. These are the best e-bikes for van life, each designed to cater to different priorities, whether you crave extreme speed, long-range adventures, full suspension comfort, or dual-passenger functionality. Which one matches your van life lifestyle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check all the links in the description for the latest prices and details. Happy riding!